Turning now to the weather, Southern Tier still dealing with a winter storm warning. They've been dealing with snow, lake effect snow throughout the week and more as we close out this work week.
And as I emphasized earlier on, it's not about the amount of falling snow, just that causes a winter storm warning. It's the wind that blows and drifts the snow around that causes poor visibility. So I think that's why it's up until 10 o'clock, because forecast snowfall amounts, Jeff, are really not that much in the course of the next 5-6 hours or so. Each one of those snowflakes, a report of snowfall from western New York. Notice most of them to the south. Over the last 24 hours or so, it was Cassadaga that saw the most snow, 9.3 inches. Up in Orchard Park, though, over the last 24 hours, not much more than an inch. So there's not much snow to add to the stadium for all those cleanup efforts that have been taking place. That is good news. So your Bills-Jets forecast shows just a few festive flakes, shall we say, for the game. Noontime temperature at 21. Game time for kickoff will be into the mid-20s. But I want to point out that you really still need to bundle up. It's going to be a decent game day in terms of no heavy falling snow or heavy wind, but it's still going to feel like the low teens. Us Bills fans can accommodate that, shall we say. So that's some good news, I suppose. Just 1/10 of an inch of snow so far for the month of January officially in Buffalo. We're actually pretty much on schedule, maybe just a touch below average. Perrysburg gets the Golden Snowball Award, 24.3 inches for this event. Hamburg at about 22.5. Ancestral home of the Nichols family in Springville, 13.5. For your Saturday, still cold, just mostly cloudy, still a bit blustery, temperatures into the mid-20s. Again, those winter storm warnings officially up through 10 o'clock this evening. North-south roads going to be dealing with that stiff westerly wind blowing and drifting that snow around, but total new snowfall through tomorrow night. Again, not much more than maybe a coating to an inch in southern Erie County, maybe 1 to 3 inches here towards ski country, and then about 1/2 inch in Olean, about 1/4 inch in Wellsville. This is still an active pattern. Next system to watch comes in Saturday night with an area-wide light snow. Limited lake effect follows Sunday afternoon and night, and then another system comes in with some light snow Monday. The system after that on Wednesday is probably more wet than white. Temperatures right now are into the low 20s, still dealing with 25-30 miles per hour of wind, making it feel like it is in the single digits out there right now. At least the visibility is better. Again, the lake snow bands are falling apart right now. There's still one band off to the north, off of Lake Ontario, that's going to deliver about 1 to 3 inches of snow, I think, this evening to parts of Niagara County and Orleans County. 15 is the overnight low tonight, 25 in Medina for tomorrow, and cloudy, 25 in Albion, 21 should do it in Attica, 23 in Depew, and we're at 21 in Olean. And there is that super 7-day forecast. Again, for game day on Sunday, pretty quiet, chilly, and then the temperature trend is our friend going through the week.